One common question in our goat milk soap making class is, where do I find goat milk? In the past, goat milk was hard to come by. Only specialty stores carried it. Goat farmers were few, and the laws about selling raw milk were just complicated the whole situation. But that really isn't the case anymore. Goat milk is much more mainstream, and the options of several types of goat milk make finding it for your soap making fairly straightforward. So let's dive in. A common desire for goat milk soap makers is to use fresh or raw goat milk in their soaps. If you own goats, this is simple enough, but if not, it can be a little bit challenging to find. A couple places to look for goat milk producers that may be willing to sell for you. One is to look at your area farmers market. People there tend to know other people kind of in the farming world, and likely someone will know someone who has goats and can get you pointed in the right direction. Or you might actually strike gold at the farmer's market and find that there's a milk vendor there that you can just purchase from, and then you're done. A second place to check out, though, if you don't have luck at the farmer's market, is to call your county extension office and ask for contact info for any dairy goat farmers in your area. Tell them what you're looking for, tell them that you want to purchase milk for soap making, and they'll likely have ideas about who in the area might be able to help. If that Another thing to ask at your extension office is for the contact information for the 4-H clubs in your area. If you have kids in your area who are showing dairy goats at their county fair, they would be tickled pink to have a paying customer for their milk. And you can even support them and their endeavors as well by purchasing milk from them. Another thing to be aware of, though, is that selling raw milk is not legal in every state. However, there is usually a loophole or an exception for people who are going to use the milk for soap making. But check with your state regulations about the selling of raw milk so that you know what to expect when you're asking someone to sell you milk. Make sure that you are familiar with what the laws are yourself so that you know if you need to be telling them, I'm just using this for soap making, and there's a loophole or there's an exception in the law that allows me to purchase milk for that. So that if they're not aware of the laws, you are, and then you know that you're not asking them to do something illegal or anything. So the next best option for making goat milk soap, if you can't find, someone with goats to buy from, is to just go to your local grocery store and purchase liquid milk from there. Trader Joe's has it, Whole Foods has it, but in our area, Walmart has it. So you want to look in the dairy case, but kind of look like high into the left or high into the right. They're kind of in the top corners. And just look for paper cartons, the quart cartons of goat milk, and likely you will find it there. If you don't find it at one grocery store in your area, just try a different grocery store or even ask someone at the grocery store, do they carry goat milk or could they get it for you? If liquid milk is not feasible, your next best option is to go with powdered milk. This can be reconstituted and used just like liquid milk in your soap making. It does make a slightly stickier bar of soap, but that it just takes a little bit longer to cure, but that's okay. It doesn't have as many extra moisturizing properties as the liquid or the raw milk, but it will work. It will work fine, and it will get you started, and hopefully, like it will be good enough until you can find a different milk source for your product. Canned goat milk is also an option, but it's my least favorite to work with in soap making. You need to reconstitute it still. It's a 1-for-1 reconstitution there. And then you just treat it like the liquid milk. However, it does make a slightly darker bar of soap, and I feel like it's just my least favorite to work with. So using that or not, it's really a personal preference thing. If that's what you have available, give it a try and see how it goes. My number one preference for goat milk in our soap making is to use the raw, fresh goat milk. I think it produces a superior product, and that might also show like my desire to use our goat milk in our products. So that being said, the other milks will produce a good goat milk soap as well, and they're perfect for practicing soap making as you learn the skill. So that will be totally fine. In the end, goat milk is readily available in multiple forms, and finding goat milk should not be a stumbling block in your ability to learn to make goat milk soap. Canned and powdered are even available on Amazon, so having access to them really is a non-issue. You may need to work a little harder to find fresh or raw milk, but don't worry about approaching people to ask if they will sell milk. Dairy goat people tend to be pretty friendly people, and you might even find someone who's interested in a collaboration or who is like as interested in your product as you are. So definitely don't let finding goat milk stop you from trying goat milk soap making. It really is the easiest place to start in your soap making journey. Do you have questions about goat milk or finding it or which is best or how to make goat milk soap? We would love to see you in our live goat milk soap making class where we chat about all these things and lots more. It's the best way to get your questions answered and get the confidence you need to give your first batch of goat milk soap a try. We'd love to see you there.